could water really cause Mount Doom to erupt? Water can play a key role in volcanic eruptions, but it's usually water that's already dissolved in magmas that creates lava-heavy explosive eruptions, like when magma is created at subducted oceanic plates. As magma rises in the earth, the pressure on it decreases. Volatile chemicals like water can evaporate and expand massively, blowing the magma apart and resulting in violent, lava-heavy eruptions like Vesuvius. By contrast, mixing external water and magma will result in steam. However, steam or phreatic eruptions can be massively explosive if the steam produced is confined by the lava or the inrushing water, and steam pressure is allowed to build up. So perhaps a brief explosive episode covering the region in ash, steam and lava bombs isn't horrifically far-fetched, but it's probably a shorter-lived steam explosion rather than the priming of an ongoing lava-belching volcano like Mount Doom.